Hello viewers, today let's talk about UI UX designers. UI UX designer designs user-friendly interface and enhance user experience. They work closely with developers and stakeholders to create an engaging and attractive digital website. Learn essential skills like wireframing, user research, prototype, also some designing tools like Figma and Adobe. Master key skills like design thinking, empathy mapping, and usability testing. Why to choose a career in UI UX design? Because it is high in demand globally. Freshers in India can earn 4 to 6.5 LPA. Also can see a significant growth as you gain more experience. So there are plentiful job opportunities in India and abroad for skilled UI UX designers. Start your UI UX journey today with ARTUC, IT training and placement, and stay tuned for more updates and opportunity.